Hey man, what's going on with y'all boys? We back with another banger, man. All right, today we got another POV drive. First I gotta go to the gas station and I gotta put air in my tires. I don't know why, like, since I got these rims on, I ain't gonna lie, like, I put them on like a couple days ago, but this tire already flat, and then, hold on. This tire already going flat too. And then on top of that, bro, I can't find my motherfucking, my air pump. I can't find my air pump, bro. That shit's so weird. Like, every time I don't need that bitch, I be seeing it, but as soon as I need it, I can't find it. But forget all that, man. We about to get into this video. I'm about to give y'all a cold start, and then I'm gonna have to let the car run for like a couple minutes. And then I'm gonna pick y'all up when we on the way to the gas station and then the tire shop. All right, man, as y'all can see, we at 167. So, hey, they told me that I can't drive my car at 100, so I've been letting it heat up to like 170 before I start driving it. As y'all can see right there, man, my front tire at 16 and my back tire at 18. Now, I don't know how that shit happened, bro. I don't even know if they put air in the tire. I don't know, bro. I don't know. But we about to go put some air in that bitch. And then, yeah, we gonna be straight after that. All right, hold on. Yeah, we straight. I can't even press on the gas. This shit crazy, bro. I can't wait till summer. Oh, shit. I'll slide this corner for y'all. And I got on thicker tires. Damn. Sliding too much. Hold on, I can't even make it up the hill. Oh my gosh, bro, this shit is ass. This shit fucking suck. Bro, I can't even make it up the hill. Little ass hill. This shit suck, bro. Bro, damn, I might just drive the Avalanche for the rest of the winter, man. Damn, bro, no more content, y'all. It's over. Till the summertime. I'll see y'all niggas again in the summer, man. Cause damn, man, I don't know, man. It might be time to park this hoe. For real. Damn, bro. Look at this. Like, damn, bro. But hey, should I get some air first or should I get some gas? I'm gonna get some air first, I think. That shit all on the same like street, so I should be straight. Bro, it sounds like something chopping in the snow. What the fuck? And then I got shit squeaking over here. Bro, my fucking car falling apart. Hopefully this street right here not really like covered in snow for real. There's hella cars coming from down there. I gotta wait till this bitch clear. Hopefully the little tire shop I'm finna go to not slapping. The fuck? Definitely gotta chill. See how you can hear that motherfucker. You can hear that bitch, bro. I mean, it is an air pump at this gas station though, so I'll just do that shit myself. I think I'm gonna just go to the one at the tire shop. I can't wait until the summertime, bro. Like, this shit gonna be so fun. Like, bro, I really got I picked the worst time to get this bitch. Like, literally, I got this bitch December fucking 1st. All right, here go a tunnel. Niggas lucky as hell this light turned green. Man, somebody hit the air pump right now. I have to debo his ass off that bitch. I need that. Okay. Alright, y'all, we at the air pump. It's cold as hell, so I'm probably not gonna be recording that much while I do this shit. So I'm gonna get back to y'all after I put some air in this bitch. Alright, y'all boys, as y'all can see, we back in here, man. And as y'all can see, there's no tire light on, man. Yes, sir. Alright. But I ain't gonna lie though. I think that front tire, that one right there, I think this bitch low-key got a hole in it because that bitch was flat as hell. I don't even know how I made it to this bitch. I ain't gonna lie. But now we gotta go to the gas station. And then after that, we probably gonna do the rest of the POV drive, however much longer that is. It really depends on how the condition of the roads. Because nigga, if the road's bad, it ain't even gonna be no point because this shit gonna be boring. And I really can't drive, I'm mad 'cause I can't drive in like sport mode and all that shit, but it is what it is. This left ski under this tunnel ski. I ain't give y'all no pull at the other tunnel, so I got y'all. Damn, we just slid in that bitch and all kind of shit. So we go to this one. All right, man, good. See, I mean, y'all can't even hear the tire no more, so. There was a car come on, did this shit. Ignore that oil change shit too, man, because, you know, when you do the little taser, you know what I'm saying, the cluster swap shit, you know, the oil thing automatically come on. Yeah, bro, that shit crazy. All right, back at the gas station, man. Again. Do this shit every day. Yeah, y'all like how I just slid to this pump like Vin Diesel. Folks, you talking about? Nigga on some Paul Walker. All right, y'all boys, man. Y'all see we got a decent amount of gas. Man. I only put 25 in here. I ain't gonna lie, that fill up be hurting, bro. That shit be hurting. Bro, that shit be hurting, bro. Like, no cap, like, actually fucking hurting. I don't even got my little seatbelt on. Y'all gotta subscribe, man. We on a 500 subscriber grind, bro. Subscribe, my nigga, right now. Subscribe. Hit that button right now. Oh, shit. That nigga say, I can't even drive straight. Turn the traction off, it got me tripping off the driveway. But no, man, y'all hit that subscribe button, man, cause we on that 500 sub grind on, bro. Like, that shit crazy, man. Cause when I started this shit, like, I'm like, damn, like, we gonna grow, but not, like, we've been growing kind of decent type shit. So y'all gotta keep subscribing for me and shit. Like, real nigga. Bro, y'all gotta keep, you know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta keep going. Y'all gotta run that shit up for a nigga. Yeah. And follow me on what's it called, on Instagram too. Y'all could DM me and shit on Instagram, like what y'all want to see, bro, because I be responding to all my DMs. Like every time one of y'all DM me, I respond, like every time, because you know what I'm saying? Y'all my niggas, bro, so go ahead and follow me on Instagram and shit. DM me, you know what I'm saying? Like a couple pictures, you know, all kind of shit like that, man. Good hospitality and shit, you know what I'm saying? Why is my windows getting foggy, bro? My windshield, my breath hot or something? Damn. Hot breath ass nigga. Oh, bro, why is my windows getting foggy, man? I can't even see out these bitches. It's not even fog, it's like, bro, my windshield wiper's so ass. Like, and it look better on camera than it do in person, that's the thing. Bro, it's the same car right next to each other. They on some GTA shit. Like, why the same car just spawn right next to each other on some shit? They on some GTA shit, y'all. They tripping. Bro, my fucking windshield, bro. This bitch ass. All right, there you go, there you go, there you go. That bitch clearing up a little bit, I think. What the fuck, bro? If y'all could see like what I see, like it look way better on cam, and it look fucked up on the camera, but in person, like, bro, you can't see nothing. It's like, you know when you got glasses on, somebody like blow their breath on the glasses. That's what it look like. Damn, I wish I could cut up, man. Slippery conditions. I'm straight on that shit. That's all y'all gonna get out of me. I ain't gonna lie, y'all might as well click off the video now. You're not gonna see that shit. You're not gonna see that shit no more. Look at 300, man. I wanna, bro. Look, man, DM me, man. And then look, if you from where I'm from and you wanna do content or whatever, I'm down. Like I'm trying to do that shit, bro. Cause nigga, I ain't gonna lie, I need a content group. I need a group of people who trying to do content. Like, damn, man. Niggas don't be trying to get rich, man. I'm telling you, niggas don't want this shit bad enough, bro. See, yeah, like then these niggas driving down at the same speed limit. Like, I'm in the same speed. I can't even get around nobody and shit. That's a 300. Oh, why is nigga just slam on his brakes with his ugly ass? I'm so tired of niggas. That bitch hard too, bro. He driving that bitch like a hoe. Well, look, man, since I ain't gonna be able to really cut up for y'all like that, you know what I'm saying? The video probably gonna end here. Also, I can't see shit, bro. Like, why is my windshield like this, bro? Help. If y'all know why my windshield like this, please let me know, bro. I can't see nothing. But, like the video, man. We on the 500 sub grind, so if you new, subscribe. If you don't, then you probably a ham or something. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out, bro.